In a fast-paced digital workplace, we're all looking for ways to work smarter, not just harder. Microsoft 365 Copilot has promised to do exactly that, but many organizations still aren't unlocking its full potential. In this video, we'll show you 3 easy ways to get more from Copilot and boost productivity across your day. Copilot is your built-in AI assistant, seamlessly integrated into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, and more. It combines the power of large language models with your organization's data, enabling smarter, faster work directly in your favorite apps. Let's start with Teams, where Copilot can completely change the way you collaborate. From real-time conversation summaries to automated note-taking and task generation, Copilot ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. Miss the start of a meeting? Ask Copilot for a quick recap. Need a summary of a long transcript? It can do that too, instantly. Next up, drafting. Whether you're creating reports, follow-up emails, or meeting agendas, Copilot helps you write faster and more consistently. It can generate new content or expand on rough ideas using data from your Microsoft Graph. It even adjusts tone and formatting to match your style, turning time-consuming writing tasks into a few simple prompts. Copilot in Outlook is a game-changer. It can summarize long email threads, suggest replies, and help you write clear, on-brand responses faster than ever. From tone suggestions to grammatical fixes, your emails just got smarter. And with every message, Copilot learns how you write, making the support even more personal. As powerful as Copilot is, it also introduces new risks. Lapide helps organizations monitor how Copilot is being used, including detecting high-risk prompts, managing user access, and identifying unused accounts with enabled permissions. With Lapide, you stay in control while your teams move faster. Want to make sure Copilot is being used safely in your business? Book a free demo with our engineers or download a trial of Lapide's Copilot security solution today. Unlock productivity without compromising security.